So hello friends, welcome back to channel. We have installed one new machine, that is redhat 7. Okay, so I haven't set the host name, just IP address set it and it is ready. Redhat release. Okay, so it is having a 7.3 map yo and uname -r you are able to see, and if you want to see more detail you have -a. Okay, so why I installed for you guys. So today we'll learn about a command called runlevel, runlevel. Okay, it's showing two value, n and 5. Okay, you must be knowing Linux is having 5 run level or 6 run levels. Okay, 0 for shutdown, 6 for reboot, 5 for GUI, 1 for single user mode, 2 for single user mode with networking, 3 for CLI, and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, we'll explain those things 1 to 0 to 6. Okay, 7 runs level are there, but whenever you run a command you will find two values n and 5. So it's showing 5, that means it is running in a GUI mode. Okay, but wait a second, I am not getting GUI. Through putty you will not get the GUI. So if I open my virtual machine here, see, this is the machine which is having GUI enabled. Let me close these two things. Just a second. Close this. Okay, perfect. Open a terminal, IPR. Okay, 192.168.56.104 IPR 192.168.56.104. Okay, so it's running in a GUI. Mostly you will not find any server running in a GUI in your corporate environment, but there are some exception where you will find, like there are some gaming server which require GUI for the application. Those people are running server in a GUI mode. But my question is, run level. When we are running a run level, why it is showing two value n and 5? Let me tell you. So this n is saying no, none, okay, and 5. So it is a previous state and this is the current state. Okay, run level command will tell you two stage, previous stage and a current stage. That is very useful thing. Most people are not aware about these things. That's why I'm telling you. So system boots up in a run level 5. That's why it is saying whenever its boot is running in a run level 5. So current run level is 5. Okay, and previous run level is no, because it's booted itself in a run level 5. So we'll make the changes in it 3. Okay, I will change the run level to 3. It requires password because I am not root user. Authentication completed. Now run level. It's showing 5 and 3. But let's switch to our virtual machine. Oh, it has also got changed from GUI to CLI. See, it is asking username and password. We'll log in, root, and password for root. See, no GUI, just CLI. IP is also same. Okay, let's come out of this thing. Now, if I'm running a run level command, I am getting two values, 5 and 3. Okay, so 3 is the current stage of current run level of your system, and 5 is the previous one. Previously, it was working on run level 5. Current run level is 3, so it's showing two run level. If I do run level 5 again, too many arguments because init 5 is the command, and it will prompt for a password. Done. If you run it, run level. See, previously it was running on 3, now it's running on 5. We'll go to virtual machine. It has switch. See, Amit user, boom, virtual machine running in a GUI mode. Okay, IPR, sorry, IPR. Correct, 56104. Here you can see. So that's the same machine which was running on a CLI. So whenever you will run a run level command, it will give you two values. Don't get confused. And this question might interview ask you why run level is showing two values. Okay. Or they might ask you, if I run a run level command, what value I will get? So you should be aware it's showing two value, not the current one. It's showing the previous one also. we'll keep this discussion open for run level. Okay, we'll learn more about run level. This is the only one thing which I want to show you. So you must be aware run level 5, okay, is the GUI, and run level 3 is the CLI. And whenever you run a run level command, you will get two values, previous one and the current one. So first it will show the previous stage, like 5 it's showing, and current stage after that. Don't get confused. Learn this thing, run this command, learn this thing. If you have any question, you know where to put that thing. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.